Hello friends, welcome to Sam and Sugar, and today I'm going to give you a tip on money management technique. This is not a trading technique. For trading techniques you can refer to some reliable sources that I've come across and I've been using them for my trading decisions. It's a mix of my experience and this learnings from this various people, and I've given the link in the description box. One is a Facebook group where it's a pool of traders. And the other is a professional trader. He conducts professional classes and explains you various techniques on trading. Worth attending his classes, especially if you have capital of $1 lakh and above. I would recommend that you join his classes because his trading techniques will ensure that you earn approximately 40% per month. I'm talking of net after completion of 1 year. So money management is a technique which is other than your trading techniques, which I have discovered in 3 phases. The first phase is your initial capital. So you invest only that part of the capital for trading which you are ready to lose. And let's say, give me an example. This is a real example of one of my friends. He has been investing 50,000 every month, and he has been losing 50,000 every month for last 6 months. In the month of July, he managed to make 10 times of what he invested. So every month he was putting in 50,000 and making it almost zero. So 6 months he continuously did that and he lost 3 lakhs. In July he managed to make that 50,000 to 5 lakhs. So he made 10 times the money. So he recovered all the losses as well as he ended up in profits. And then he continued almost a similar kind of profitable trades for next 2 months more and landed up on a net profit of approximately 7 to 8 lakhs for the year. So he has earned profit only for 3 months out of 12, but his net profit for the whole year was around 7 to 8 lakhs, if I properly remember, because that was his money management technique. So what I would say, the first level is invest only that part of the money which you are ready to lose, and even if you lose you can put it back again next month. That is one technique. Technique number 2 is, once you have allocated a capital, let's say you have decided that I am going to invest 20,000 per month. Okay, so you have to divide the two amounts, 10,000 and 10,000. Now if you have decided that I am going to invest in call, so invest only 10,000, keep 10,000 idle as a backup. Suppose if you notice that you have invested in call at 90 rupees and it has immediately come down to 70, there is no point booking losses. Then you have to reassess and check whether you have gone wrong. If you feel that you are still correct but the premium value has gone down, then you have to hold it, or you can average it. You can use the balance 10,000 and you can average it and bring down your cost. Or else, if you think you have gone wrong but still you are not sure, then you can buy a put and you can hedge your position using the balance 10,000. So this is the second money management technique. So initial is the capital which you decide how much you are willing to risk. Second is dividing into 2 halves. One more technique in that second technique is, some people have various trading techniques where they allow the stop loss to be hit and they reverse the position. So in order to cover the earlier losses you have to buy similar quantity. To buy similar quantity you require similar amount of capital. So if you have pumped in 10,000 and you lost 2,000, so you have 8,000. So again you need additional 2,000. So that additional 2,000 comes from the idle 2,000. So that's why this technique is helpful. Always make sure that you invest only 50% and keep 50% balance. This is possible only with the minimum capital of 20,000. Then third technique is when you're making profits. Suppose if you have started with a capital of 20,000 and you made a profit of say 10,000 or 15,000, XYZ. Let's say 10,000. So your capital now is 30,000. What I would recommend is remove your 20,000 so there is no risk, and whatever is left is 10,000. So you try to explore anything with your 10,000. At the most you lose all your 10,000. At the most you can gain, but at least there is nothing to lose. So this is my money management technique which I want to share to all my viewers, and I hope this is useful. I know a lot of questions will be going around in your mind. You can definitely throw on the comment section, or you can get in touch with us on samandsugar18@gmail.com, where we do share our numbers, and we have been helping a lot of traders as well. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to like and share this video, and most of all, subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.